boy. Oh, this is wonderful. Very exciting. Love getting the limbo stick at the beach. Let me get this straight. Oh, dear. What's a limbo stick? What's that supposed to mean? It means I got you a limbo stick. It means when I get this thing off. Me too. Oh, brother, I can't believe this. This is terrifying. Can't go under it either. Neither can I. Me too. Wasn't that very exciting after all?
Another one on the clock for Marty. I ain't never gonna run out of time at this rate. Zigzag and thread the needle.
Okay, everybody. I got another idea. I got a surprise for you to do the under the limbo stick. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, great. Okay, limbo stick ready for the beach? Oh, great. This is so much fun. Oh, wow. This is very exciting, doesn't it? Oh, I love doing the limbo stick. Just for all of us.
Under the limbo stick, all the boys and the girls. Under the limbo stick, all around the world. Who is gonna make it when it gets real low? Under the limbo stick, that's where you wanna go. Under the limbo stick, come on and take a chance. Under the limbo stick, do the limbo dance. Throw your head way back and bend your knees down low. 'Cause under the limbo stick, that's where you wanna go.
It's getting dark outside with the limbo stick.
Take it nice and easy.
I think I'm getting sleepy.
Take it nice and slow. Feels so nice and breezy, like when the palm trees blow. So come on, don't be lazy. Come on, don't be shy. Get a little crazy and join the limbo line. Under the limbo stick.
Oh boy, this is fun. I really love the limbo stick. So much fun, isn't it?
Gonna make it under the limbo stick. That's where you wanna go. Limbo stick, come on and take a chance. Under the limbo stick, do the limbo dance. Throw your head way back and bend your knees down low. 'Cause under the limbo stick, that's where you wanna go. Take it nice and easy. Take it nice and slow. Feels so nice and breezy, like when the palm trees blow. So come on, don't be lazy. Come on, don't be shy. Get a little crazy and join the limbo line. Under the limbo stick, all the boys and the